Is climate change really that bad? Maybe. I'm Elon Kelman, and please find me on Twitter and Instagram to discuss and explore the complexities and subtleties within this answer. We must look beyond the headlines and beyond the rhetoric, instead, focusing on the science, which paints a nuanced picture. Does climate change cause disasters? Disasters do not come from climate and weather. They occur by forcing people to live in poverty without opportunities or resources to deal with environmental changes. This is why we prefer to avoid the phrase natural disaster. Disasters come from us, not nature. Does climate change cause conflict? People make decisions to pick up guns or to sign peace deals. Let's stop blaming the environment for our choices to kill people or to save lives. Does climate change cause migration? People have always migrated for many different reasons. Why identify a single topic, climate change? And why are we scared of migration anyway, when migration is and always has been a human condition? Stating that climate change is suddenly the cause of all our problems is inaccurate, imprecise, and superficial. But even the answers which I provide are too simplistic. There are always exceptions and provisos. Despite the general rule that climate change does not do as much as it is said to do, the exceptions are huge, representing reasons why we should be worried, extremely worried, about human-caused climate change, particularly since we can and should stop it. So is climate change really that bad? Please join the full talk and connect with me on social media in order to understand better the clear and concise answer, maybe. Thank you.